Good day, everyone. So, I am John Philip Raza and I am here to demonstrate how to do task number one. So, first up is you need to create a blank document and rename it into student's presentation. After that, you are going to view and pick the slide master option. After that, we are going to delete this unnecessary slides. But it is up to you though if you want to clear out these slides. So second, we are going to insert our logo. And in order for you to do that, you are going to go to pictures option and select your logo. Now, for you to change this background, you need to right click the master slide and select format background and choose this picture or texture file. Now there's an option here that you can insert picture from your file. So let's go and apply to all and you're done. I hope you have learned something. Thank you.
Hey, I'll be showing to you on how to animate your work so that it can be emphasized and look great.
There are a lot of things that you can do to emphasize your text. Just highlight or press the box that your text were located. Then press the animation that you want. It will automatically sort your animation and you can also change it on effects option. You can also change the animation by clicking the number on the left. You have a lot of choices. The first is opening, then emphasis, followed by exit, then motion paths. If you want your work to be formal, then you can choose the fade animation and apply it to all of your text.
Our next objective is to insert and link a chart from a spreadsheet. I am also going to show you how to enable hyperlinking. As you've noticed, in our text area, it has 4 predefined insert objects. Click Insert Chart and then choose the pie chart. We are to modify the values based from slide number 2 statistics. In WPS presentation, chart tools will be clicked to select data. Right after clicking Select Data, Spreadsheet program will be opened. On the spreadsheet, we can now change the following values. We are going to change title to Student Statistics Report. We are going to omit the third and fourth quarter there since only 2 categories will be used. Replace the first one to passed and the second one to failed and change its values. Right after modifying our values, we can now go back to our presentation. And then right after, we can edit or change the appearance of our chart. Next is to link chart from a spreadsheet program. First thing we need to do is to create new slide. And then set the title to grade statistics. Next is to open the completed activity 4 spreadsheet. Go to chart sheet and then copy the chart. Once done, we are going to go back to the presentation and paste the chart using option Keep Source Formatting. Our next task is how to enable hyperlinking. First, we are going to create a new slide set as slide number 2. So I will just going to move the current slide to the top. And then add title agenda. And then click on the insert tab. Click on the shapes. And we are going to add 3 rectangles and align them vertically. Next is to edit our text by right-clicking and clicking on Edit Text. We are going to type in our first rectangle, statistics. Second rectangle is graphical. The third rectangle object is chart. Next, select the statistic object, right-click, and then choose hyperlink. In this dialog box, select place in this document. Choose slide 3 and then click OK. In graphical object, it will be linked to slide 4. And chart object will be linked to slide 5. Next is we're going to know how to use action buttons. First is to go to slide 3, go to insert tab and then select shapes. In shapes, there are action buttons and click on the back or previous and put it in the lower right corner of the slide. In action settings, we can choose one of the following, whether it is mouse on click or mouse over. By clicking the action button, it will redirect you to slide number 2. We are to copy the action button and place it to slide 4 and slide 5. Next is to add a slide transition. In the pane that contains outlines and slide tabs, click Slides tab and select Slide Thumbnail. Go to Transitions tab and then click and choose the slide transition that you want. And if you want to apply the same slide transition to all your slides, in the Transitions tab, click Apply to All. And that's it, we're done. Thank you for bearing with us.